What if I told you that right now, someone could be using AI to steal your face, your voice, and your entire online identity? And the scariest part? It's happening at a scale that would make your head spin. We're talking about over 8 million deepfakes circulating online in 2025 alone. That's a 1,600% increase from just 2 years ago. Let's start with what NPR just uncovered in their article. TikTok researchers discovered something chilling. AI-generated deepfakes are now copying real creators' videos, stealing their exact words, mannerisms, and even their backgrounds. These aren't just random impersonations. These deepfakes are so sophisticated that they're fooling millions of viewers. Real creators are watching AI versions of themselves go viral while their original content gets buried in the algorithm.
I know y'all been seeing the videos of the lady that went to Guadalajara for a facelift, and I know y'all been seeing the post-op reviews, and her face looks so young. They took like 20 years off of her face. Now she gonna tell you like, or in the video she said like, hey, I'm getting a facelift because I got saggy skin, my forehead big, I'm 50, I got substantial sagging because I lost a big amount of weight 2 times. Like, it made sense. And I'm not against body modification, but her body...
One creator told NPR, it's like watching a digital ghost of yourself that's more popular than you are. The psychological impact is devastating, and the financial impact is even worse. But TikTok is just the tip of the iceberg. British engineering firm Arup lost $25 million. Yes, you heard that right. $25 million to deepfake fraudsters who impersonated their CFO in video calls. Think about that for a second. These weren't just voice calls or emails. These were live video conferences where AI perfectly replicated facial expressions, voice patterns, and even company-specific knowledge. The employee who transferred the money had no idea they were talking to an AI. As cybersecurity expert Brian Krebs put it, we've crossed the Rubicon. When deepfakes can fool trained professionals in high-stakes situations, we're not just dealing with a technology problem, we're facing an existential crisis of trust. And it gets worse. Remember the fake Biden robocall that told Democrats not to vote in New Hampshire? That was just the beginning. We've seen deepfake videos of Zelensky telling Ukrainian troops to surrender, fake Putin declaring peace, and manipulated speeches from ex-Vice President Harris. Here's what's truly alarming. According to Veriff's 2025 Identity Fraud Report, 1 in every 20 identity verification failures is now linked to deepfake attacks. We're not talking about amateur hour anymore. These are real-time deepfakes that can bypass live video verification systems. MIT's Sinan Aral warns, we're witnessing the weaponization of synthetic media at an unprecedented scale. The question isn't if deepfakes will influence the next election, it's how much damage they'll cause before we figure out how to stop them. But beyond the headlines and the millions lost, there's a human story that breaks my heart. Content creators are watching AI steal their life's work. Families are receiving fake calls from relatives in distress. Businesses are losing trust in video communication entirely. A TikTok creator found 47 deepfake versions of herself promoting cryptocurrency scams. She spent years building her brand, her voice, her community. Now there are dozens of fake versions of her out there destroying everything she's worked for. The psychological warfare aspect is real. When you can't trust what you see or hear, society starts to fracture. Democracy depends on shared truth, and deepfakes are systematically destroying that foundation. Here's the hard truth. Technology alone won't save us. As AI researcher Haney Farid says, this is fundamentally a human problem that requires human solutions. We need media literacy, platform accountability, and legal frameworks that can keep pace with the technology. The deepfake revolution isn't coming. It's here. And while the technology is impressive, the implications are terrifying. The question is, will we adapt fast enough to preserve truth in the age of synthetic media? What's your take? Have you encountered deepfakes? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the AI stories that actually matter. Thanks for joining me in this one. That's all for now, folks. Take care of yourselves, and as always, be kind to each other.